Hello, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to make a quick video today about an upcoming release of BitShares 5.1.0. It has a couple of pretty cool API upgrades. Let's take a look here. All right, so here is the issue that was opened as the release notes. So let's just take a look through here. All right, big section here. Who should upgrade? So public API nodes should upgrade to support any new client software that needs to use those. Wink, wink, PoolTool. So yeah, please upgrade your public nodes. That way anybody can use them. Private nodes, depending, it just depends on whether or not you're going to use that functionality in your private node. Block producers don't need to use this upgrade. This is because that block producers don't usually provide any API endpoint because they are just block producers. All right, so the section that I am most excited about is around this API section here. So we're going to go through a couple of these and look at a couple of specifics here. So if we look here, in general, the API has been updated with a couple of different things. First one, we're adding some APIs for the liquidity pools. So let's open up both of those. Next, we're getting some APIs for the voting tickets. So let's open those. And then add current supply and maximum supply to budget object. So I mainly made this video to talk about the pools and the ticket upgrade, so we're gonna kind of skip over that one, but that is also something that was added. All right, so issue 2285. All right, so it says please check 2297. All right, so that's this next one here. So let's check out what was added. It looks like the market history plugin was also updated for some pool statistics. That's pretty cool. All right, so there's some extensions of the APIs. So it now includes an optional with statistics parameter. So it looks like we're going to be able to just list all of the liquidity pools, which is pretty cool. I had to write my own script to find the ones that were active last time, so it'll be really nice to not have to write my own script for that. Get liquidity pools by asset A or asset B or both assets. That's going to be extremely cool, especially something that I noticed with MetaMask. When you go to make a swap on Ethereum, they actually query a couple of different liquidity pools to see what gets you the most. So what you could essentially do here with this is find something that you want to trade on the BitShares DEX and then search by both assets. If there are multiple pools with the same assets, you can then see which one is the best price. So instead of having to go through different contracts like Ethereum, you can do this all on BitShares together without having to leave the ecosystem. Another one, you can look it up by the share asset. So you can look up the pool that way. Get liquidity pools by owner. That, if there's a specific gateway that you like, you can look it up by that gateway or by account. If you want to look up specific liquidity pools owned by somebody, you can do that as well. So there were a couple of history APIs that were added. One is get liquidity pool history. That's going to be cool. There was no way to look that up before, so I'm really glad that's going to be added. So those are a couple of the reasons that I'm excited about liquidity pools in this next software upgrade. So the next thing that I'm excited about specifically is the adding APIs for voting tickets. So before, you couldn't look up what your account had for voting tickets. So that's a really good addition. The APIs, it looks like they added are list the tickets. So I'm guessing that lists all the tickets, and then you can get tickets by account. So if you were curious about your tickets, or if you were wanting to research a different account's tickets, you could do that through there. So that was just a quick little video I just wanted to make, just talking about the upcoming upgrades that I'm excited about. So thanks for watching.